how to cancel your Temu order. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can order or how we can cancel Temu order. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Temu application and make sure to log into your account. After you log in, now to view all your orders, tap on the U icon from the menu bar at the bottom of the home page. Here tap on your orders. Now to view your processing orders, tap on processing from the bar at the top of this interface. Now under this processing piece, you will be able to find all your orders that is being processed. Now to cancel any order, tap and select the order. Once you open up the order, at the bottom right corner there you'll find a button to cancel the product or cancel the order. Tap on it. Then it will ask for you to enter the reason why you're canceling the order. So provide a valid reason and then tap on next. Again, you will be asked for the refund payment method. So provide your refund method, and once that, submit it and confirm your cancellation. Now it might take some 2 to 3 business days to refund or to order or to cancel your order on Temu, and then you will get back your refund amount. So that's how you can cancel your order on Temu, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.